Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. On Monday recorded nearly 50,000 new coronavirus cases. The latest health ministry bulletin said that 46,148 fresh cases were detected in the last 24 hours in what can be termed as a major respite. The number of daily COVID deaths has also dipped below 1,000. This was the first time in nearly 80 days that India saw any decline in corona fatalities. The expert says that in comparison with the first wave, the second wave saw a long period of high COVID fatalities. Elsewhere, the major nations around the globe have started introducing a fresh round of strengthened lockdown to tackle the surge of the Delta variant of the coronavirus. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor for trade inquiry. Mail care @rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800 258 7060. On partial lockdown have been relaxed slightly in the state following the decline in corona infection. The state government allowed the bus to run with 50% passenger. All public and private buses were allowed to run on the road. However, local train and metro service will remain closed till July 15. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee made an announcement at press conference in Navana on Monday afternoon. The state government has allowed vegetable and fish mandis to be open from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m., keeping in view the trade association.
सफलता की शुरुआत सिर्फ मोशन के साथ। मोशन ओपन स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 7th to 12th स्टूडेंट। Get up to 50% scholarship for session 2021 to 22 at Durgapur. And for more details, please contact 9434
Todia working editor Vikas Prasad reporting ECL has provided all the necessary information from ECL official website under citizen status to make people aware of the fraud in the name of giving job in the company. Instruction to receive has been issued. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Celebrate closing ceremony of community kitchen Lal Che Hasnal organized by Red Volunteer Asansol. An attractive cultural program along a street drama was held on 27 June 2021 at 11:30 am at Sangpatak Club, Moshila Bartalla Bazaar. Some famous singer and drama personalities from Kolkata performed in this program.
এটা তো 1989 সময় নয়। শিল্প সংস্কৃতির উপর রাষ্ট্রীয় গুন্ডাদের আক্রমণ এসব তো এখন আর দেখতে হয় না। এখন তো 2021, আমরা নাটক করি স্বাধীনভাবে, শিল্পীরা তাদের যোগ্য মর্যাদা পায়। কি বলেন আপনারা, তাই না?
একটা ভালো গান হয়েছে, আমি জানি না দেখেছেন কিনা মিউজিক ভিডিও, অনেক শিল্পীরা মিলে গিয়েছেন। আমরা অন্য দেশে যাবো না, এই দেশে দিয়ে থাকবো। কিরম লাগে? আমি শিল্পীদের বলছি আপনার গান নাচুন, ওটা আপনার সময় পায়। রাজনীতি করতে হবে, আমাদের ছেড়ে দিবেন, তাহলে রোগড়ে দেবো বলতে জানে আমি কিভাবে ভাই।
ও দিলু তোর নেই কোকিলু রগড়ে দিবি আয়, শিল্পী পেলেই দিলু রগড়ে দিতে চায়। ও দিলু তোর নেই কোকিলু রগড়ে দিবি আয়, শিল্পী পেলেই
বজরং আমি তো শুধুই বলি উড়িয়ে দিয়েছ তাই দিনে আনি যত সবই তো দিনেই ফুরোয় রাতে জেগে ওঠে বুকা পেটে চিৎকার ব্রেকিং নিউজে মন কি বাতে লাবারে কার সাথে বারে যন্ত্রণা শিকার কি গান বানাও কি গান বানাও কি গান বানাও কবি আমার জমিনে জন্মেছে দেখো আগামীর ভৈরবী কি গান বানাও কি গান বানাও কি গান বানাও কবি আমার জমিনে জন্মেছে দেখো আগামীর
गलती क्या थी? हमारी गलती क्या थी?
उस बदनाम तबाही के मंजर से बस एक मासूम का शव ही तो मिला। न माथे पे कोई तिलक सा दाग है कि उसे हिंदू मान ले। शायद सर पे टोपी होती तो मुसलमान होता। क्या शनाख्त तब भी जारी, शनाख्त तब भी जारी है कि हिंदू था या मुसलमान था। बस किसी ने चीख में आ की आवाज सुनी थी। अब क्या पता वो राम करा था या दर्द में उसने अल्लाह पुकारा था। और कुछ लोग हैं जिन्होंने उसे मुसलमान ही मान लिया। बस काफी था उस बदनाम तबाही के मंजर को फिर से दोहराने के लिए
এই মৃত্যু উপত্যকায় আজ আমার দেশ, এই জল্লাদের উল্লাস মঞ্চই আজ আমার দেশ। তারপরে জানসারিদের কথা ভুলে গেছেন নিশ্চয়ই, হ্যাঁ ভুলে গেছেন না? কিংবা ওড়িশার নিরিবিলি শহরতলিতে বাস করা গ্রাহাম সিং, তবু সন্ত্রাসবাদী নয়, রাষ্ট্রদ্রোহিতার অপরাধে কারাগারের ছেলে বন্দী থাকে কিছু ছাত্র, কিছু যুবক আর এক ডাক্তার। হাতরাসের কথা মনে আছে নিশ্চয়ই, কিংবা উন্নাও? সেখানে শুধু প্রকাশ্য রাজপথে শুধু একটা ধর্ষণ নয়, ভারতের গণতন্ত্রকে জ্বালানো হয়েছিল সেদিন রাতের অন্ধকারে।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement contact editor 9563830285. Jamuria Dilip Shah reporting an ambulance was provided to the Menu Foundation to serve the people at Jamuria Jhanga Industrial Area in collaboration with Sam Cell Pont Iron, and from Jamuria Nandi Road to MB Lions Hospital to serve the people. The ambulance was inaugurated by Asansol Corporation Board of Administrator member Abhijit Ghatak by cutting the ribbon. Rest is after this break. News Moment present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Of Barabani block, all ASA workers and ICDS workers demonstrate in Barabani block today. Money was being given but they was reluctant to take it. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement contact editor 9563830285. Police of Basirhat Police Station confiscated 6,000 liters of illegal stored kerosene oil. Dindhat in Basirhat is fiercely over the rescue of several lakh rupees worth of kerosene oil. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. On behalf of West Bardhaman District, DYFI, a demonstration was held in front of SDO office demanding vacation of all persons in general. A delegation of protesters handed over the memorandum to SDO Abhijan Panja. On the occasion, Victor Acharya of DYFI said that priority should be given to giving vaccine to the general public. He said that people between the age of 18 to 44 have to be vaccinated first. He said the youth class served the needy during the corona epidemic. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. West Bardhaman district community staked a dharna in front of Ravindra Bhavan against the anti-people policies of the central government. On this occasion, CPI West Bardhaman District Secretary R.C. Singh said that the Black Law Agriculture Bill of central government has to be cancelled veritably. He said that central government is selling government institute to private companies. The new labor law must be repealed. The old labor law must be enforced. Trade union right will not be violent. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. We had about 42 mini pickup vans and 22 mini truck for cleaning work at Asansol Municipal Corporation. It is alleged that vehicles are getting damaged due to leaving them in the rain and sun under the open sky for the last 3 years without behaving under Mission Nirmal Bangla. A campaign was launched to make Asansol city a clean Asansol, green Asansol. 64 vehicles were purchased 3 years ago on the initiative of the Mayor Jitendra Tiwari to clean up the city. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. According to Purulia working editor Vikas Prasad, a young man named Sankar Paswan, about 25 years old, living in near Sankodia Santosi temple of Santodia Fandi of Kulti police station, committed suicide in Raghunathpur Sub Research Center of district on Sunday night. Sensation has spared about the incident. Regarding the incident, Raghunathpur Police SDPO Dhurwar Bandhopadhyay has spoken about investigating the matter. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Goyal, the district governor of West Bardhaman, visited Jamuria and Raniganj at the request of Jamuria Chamber of Commerce and Industries. District Magistrate of West Bardhaman, Bibu Goyal, inspected the road up to Jamuria Rani Sayar. The assured immediate repair of the road after the inspected Adivasi Pada at Keshwadanga in Jamuria, Maldalpur and then Jamuria Industrial Estate, the Jamuria Chamber and Man Steel of Power Limited. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. A blood donation camp was organized at Borough Office number 5 on Monday at the initiative of Asansol Municipality. The camp was inaugurated by former Councillor Sarboni Mandal Ajay Prasad of Kalyanpur Social Welfare Organization, Kajal Goswami, architect of Borough Office, Babu Kuntal Mukherjee of the Borough Office. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement, change the superiorly for ourselves and our world. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notifications.